Moko ana poyo. Bino na kanyi. Wal kanyi. An ki luane to Sabina. UDK. An la FDC. An la FDC. Ento pi Wilson oto. Oweko ana ye da pi kwir puto ni. Amin oto kwira. Pien achiro pacho mamea. Yelo toma ya geo. Yo pele weng. Yo mamiero ana woki ya mikero pacho opele weng. Kono doi gona wana ki yuganga chulu. Yaki bine worde di yaki tunu pacho. Manu koma jot. Manu nunga poto ki bit. Yaka ana tunu gang. Chuma miyo ana wacho ni. Lo tela maki ma wun jolo toma. Chwalo ki pi unni. Kie kwene. Ma wunu tika lingo chantin man. An pe ye. Kita wiri chon ana nen ni dana mo kwiri. Ana ye ka tini. Ana tawa ki wiri chon. Ma pene peke wila. Waki chunya. Aneno la tini ki wachap. Cha ye be ne la tini ramotena. Pi pati kara. Kadonga wana upiru ni pati. Chi wana toa. Utoa nyong. Nen tun kama kwiri ti ye. Chini chwala la tena no. Pene pi pati. Benan pa chwalo to ne pi to ti na rem pe chwalo to ne pi ne FDC no pi kwire ne
anya ti wono ti mai ko para ati mabala je papati FDC agaguno ento pe je ma ra ma ne lo to twale yo ke tela ma an ne no ke be cha ma cha ran bulu ata woni ma cha lo party NRM ki FDC wan bo mi no to Wilson pi ko che te lwa Kone karaka una na mo ya uta Wilson FDC be ma chala na ye ana cha uta ke la yo uta ne ma chala be me cha ki be ku na be na yang ki be lo ma lo to po da no na ta ne un bulu wala ka lo ta ko ta ta na ko
Report ke report ta la mama and ta pe de mo bi mo ye ka ke to le yo office de Wilson ye di ye ke la erode Yo ya to na wani bere to take care of me when what ya was answer that 3 to upgrade to answer that 4 then the other thing make your office hey ba ko erode mara ka ro wi ne pe yo ko de ni 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 team and tell the na bere ta ben ko ne ya ga mo wa ma ti da pen du ko ye tie and na ki chogi eto pi rate ki kito mi no keno bekere gankwan ti ye no en keke eroni kino wu poye mo manu pite ka ma do ti gini na dit Wilson ye ngam de jogi bekeno ma ti do keno ti when kero ba ti wa mama no ka school aga mete ni no ye le ma
Guys, oye! Wilson oye! Wilson oye! NRM oye! Winning team oye! Wilson oye! Wanja gago wachamu kalara wa melo kinyige. Wanagago Moromole Tongwa Wanja gago wachamu kalara wa melo kinyige. Wanagago NRM oye! Wilson oye!
Okay, thank you so much. My name is Wilson Oto. I'm running for the position of Chair LC5. Today I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful to be in World Town Council, and I'm overwhelmed by the support that I even got from other political parties like FDC, NUP, DP that came to support my agenda. I think in this era, when you're running for a political position, political parties are important, but when you win, you work with everyone. So this kind of unity that is coming in our district is something that we desire. Because once you become a leader, you're a leader of everyone. You're not a leader of a simple political party. I always borrow a leaf from my President Museveni, that worked with every political party. And so as Wilson Oto, aspiring as a chairperson of LC5, I embrace, I do not segregate. Because I know at the time when I win, I will have to work with every segment of people that is in the Bago district. So I want to say today, I am so happy that I got surprising support from different political parties that attended